For years, the Tesla Semi barely appeared in Elon Musk's announcements. The truck remained stuck in a prototype phase. Tesla lacked a proper production line, and most importantly, it still didn't have the feature Musk considers essential for reshaping long-haul transport: true full self-driving. But at Tesla's 2025 shareholders meeting, that changed completely. For the first time, the company revealed the next-generation Tesla Semi, a model that finally overcomes the limitations of its earlier version and positions the electric truck as one of Tesla's 3 top products entering mass production next year, alongside Optimus and the Cybercab. This isn't the old prototype anymore. The 2026 Semi includes a newly engineered chassis, upgraded lighting, more efficient aerodynamics, improved payload capability, and a platform built specifically for autonomous driving. Tesla also confirmed that the price will be adjusted downward, something many transport companies and drivers have long hoped for. And now that the new factory is complete, Musk's once ambitious goal of producing 50,000 semis per year is suddenly achievable. The most important upgrade is that the 2026 Semi is designed from the ground up for full self-driving. The original version had no such capability, but the new one integrates cameras, radar, and a supercomputer system similar to the Cybercab setup. Tesla didn't simply add sensors as an afterthought. The front structure, roof, windshield, and sensor mounts were all redesigned to house the new components cleanly within Tesla's FSD ecosystem. Cameras on the wheel arches, improved thermal systems for the onboard computer, and deeply integrated hardware make the Gen 2 Semi the first Class 8 truck engineered for a high-level autonomous operation. Standardizing these components also makes fleet-wide software updates smoother, especially for companies planning around-the-clock operations. Even so, self-driving on a massive truck brings higher risks and far more demanding requirements than on a car. Tesla still needs to meet regulatory standards in every region before claiming unsupervised self-driving, meaning the 2026 Semi continues to rely on monitored autonomy for now. Back in 2017, Tesla shocked the industry with attractive price targets: $150,000 for the 300-mile version and $180,000 for the 500-mile version. But almost a decade later, reality looks different. The first units delivered to customers like PepsiCo in 2023 cost closer to $250,000 per truck, about twice the price of a diesel model, with some reports even suggesting over $400,000 for early builds. These inflated prices reflected development challenges, expensive batteries, and the cost of producing small batches with highly skilled labor. Now, with full-scale production beginning in 2026, experts believe the Gen 2 Semi will land between $150,000 and $190,000, still higher than the original promise, but significantly lower than current estimates. Tesla plans 2 versions for 2026, a long-range 500-mile model for long-distance freight, and a standard 300-mile option aimed at domestic routes. The flagship 500-mile Semi is expected to keep its 500-mile rating with energy consumption around 1.51 kilowatt-hours per mile, using an 850 kilowatt-hour battery. With Tesla's megawatt charging, it can regain about 70% of that range in just half an hour. The 300-mile model will use a 500 kilowatt-hour pack and deliver roughly 300 to 310 miles on a charge. Both trucks rely on Tesla's newer 4,680 cells, which offer about 7% greater energy efficiency. Engineering changes include a revised frame that's lighter, stronger, and optimized to keep the battery pack low on the floor, improving stability under heavy loads. Compared to the original Semi prototype, which never reached full commercialization, the 2026 Semi is far more practical and truly ready for mass production. Aesthetically, the Gen 2 Semi looks more refined and functional. The front end has been reshaped for better aerodynamics, drawing influence from the Model Y and Cybertruck. The new headlights offer a wider, stronger beam, and Tesla has replaced traditional mirrors with high-resolution camera pods to reduce drag. Dust and water resistance have been improved, and Tesla has unified more components across its vehicle lineup to reduce production costs. Musk noted that this part-sharing strategy is one of the reasons Tesla can lower the truck's price as production ramps up. Inside the cabin, Tesla kept the signature center seat layout, but reworked nearly everything else. The placement of screens, switches, and driving controls have been optimized for FSD-assisted operation. Materials are more durable, surfaces easier to clean, and ventilation is improved for long-haul conditions. The new suspension system is another major upgrade, engineered to support heavier loads while delivering a smoother ride. The prototype's Model X-inspired suspension has been replaced with a stronger, lighter structure that reduces vibrations and improves handling. Production of the Semi has scaled up noticeably at Tesla's Giga Nevada pilot line after a long period of slow output. Recent reports suggest Tesla is now producing between 500 and 1,000 trucks annually while preparing for full production push. New parts such as leaf springs, axles, and crated assemblies have been spotted on-site, along with several complete frames waiting for assembly. Around a dozen trucks have been seen in the lot. Likely a mix of newly built units and older electric trucks Tesla uses for internal transport between Fremont and Nevada. Tesla also confirmed that a sleeper cab version is underway. Engineers are reworking the cabin dimensions, extending the rear, and potentially shifting the driver's seat to the left side, something traditional truck drivers have been asking for. Since the current Semi only offers a day cab, companies like PepsiCo face limitations for overnight hauls. Despite the high purchase price, they still favor the Semi because of its significantly lower operating costs. Tesla is keeping the actual price of the new version secret, a strategy that helps maintain competitive advantage. Revealing it too early could give rival manufacturers time to undercut Tesla or adjust their own plans. Meanwhile, Tesla continues using Semis internally to transport Model 3s and Cybertrucks, improving logistics and refining the truck even further. China's entry into the electric truck space has added even more pressure. One example is the Windrose electric truck, which closely mirrors the Tesla Semi's design. Nearly 80% identical, aside from differences in headlights and the absence of Tesla's signature side mirrors. It includes a center-mounted driver's seat, a feature many criticize due to safety and visibility concerns. Despite that, the truck offers a 380-mile range, a gross weight of 98,000 pounds, and an 800-volt charging system. Windrose claims Level 4 autonomous capability and fast charging speeds that can add nearly 250 miles in just half an hour, rivaling or surpassing Tesla's charging performance. The truck has undergone hill climb testing, braking trials, energy regeneration assessments, and extreme temperature evaluations ranging between 43 degrees and 48 degrees Celsius, as well as high-altitude endurance tests. BorgWarner has even deployed a 960 kilowatts charging system to support these vehicles. Tesla reports that the Semi already carried more than 20,000 battery packs from Nevada to Fremont, demonstrating that electric trucks can match diesel trucks in both distance and payload while costing significantly less to operate.